Hey, gearheads, welcome back to Auto with Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 6 best mirror dash cam that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started.
Autoverse Authority, where passion meets performance. Number 6.
In our list, the number 6 product name is Pelsee P12 Plus. Let me introduce you to the Pelsee P12 Plus 4K Wi-Fi rear view mirror camera, a game changer for your driving experience. With its superior 4K Ultra HD front recording and 1080p Full HD rear recording, this dashcam ensures crystal clear footage, day or night. Its WDR technology and f/.5 aperture make capturing critical details in low light effortless. Furthermore, transferring videos is a breeze. Thanks to the built-in Wi-Fi and Pelsee app, I can configure settings, playback recordings, and share highlights on social media instantly. It's convenience at its best. Most importantly, safety takes center stage with advanced ADAS and BSD features. Alerts for lane departures, forward collisions, and blind spots keep me informed of potential hazards, offering peace of mind during every drive. Here's what I like about the Pelsee P12 Plus. Pros: 4K Ultra HD front and 1080p rear recording for unmatched clarity. ADAS and BSD systems enhance road safety. 64 GB memory card included with support for up to 250. However, it's worth noting a couple of things. Cons: the 12 screen may feel large for compact vehicles. Initial setup of ADAS features might require some patience.
Number 5.
In our list, the number 5 product name is Azdome PG17 Mirror Dash Cam. Let me tell you about the Azdome PG17 4K Mirror Dash Cam, a must-have for enhancing your driving experience. With its 4K front and 1080p rear cameras, this dash cam delivers exceptional video quality and minimizes blind spots with 150 DD wide angles. Additionally, the built-in Wi-Fi 6 makes video sharing seamless. By connecting the Azdome app to your phone, you can effortlessly manage recordings and share stunning travel moments with friends and family. It's all about convenience at your fingertips. Moreover, the included GPS module records driving routes, speed, and locations, making it a reliable companion in case of accidents. Plus, the 64 GB card offers ample storage, and the loop recording ensures you never miss important footage. Here's why I love the Azdome PG17. Pros: 4K front camera and 1080p waterproof rear camera for clear visuals. Wi-Fi 6 ensures fast and smooth video playback. Voice control and parking monitor adds safety and ease. However, there are a couple of considerations. Because rear camera clarity may decrease if installed inside the vehicle. The 12 screen might feel bulky in smaller cars.
Number 4.
In our list, the number 4 product name is Wolfbox G850 Mirror Dash Cam. Let me introduce the Wolfbox G850 4K Mirror Dash Cam, a perfect blend of clarity and convenience. Its 12-inch front 4K camera and WDR-enabled rear camera deliver crisp, clear videos, allowing me to capture every detail, even in challenging lighting conditions. Additionally, its 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity is a game changer. I can quickly view and download recordings on my smartphone, making sharing videos and reviewing footage effortless and smooth. It's a true time saver. Moreover, the voice control feature is a standout. With simple commands, I can take photos, switch views, or start recording without taking my hands off the wheel, ensuring a safer and more focused driving experience. Here's what I love about the Wolfbox G850. Pros: 4K front and WDR rear camera for sharp visuals. Voice control adds hands-free convenience. Comes with a 64 GB card and GPS out of the box. However, there are a few minor downsides. Cons: parking monitor requires an additional hardware kit. The 12-inch screen might feel large for compact vehicles.
Number 3.
In our list, the number 3 product name is Jansite 10 Mirror Dash Cam. Let me share my experience with the Jansite 10 Mirror Dash Cam, a versatile and reliable solution for capturing every detail on the road. With dual 1080p front and rear cameras, I get ultra-clear video even from a distance. Additionally, its 10 FPS full touchscreen is a game changer. The wide display offers a seamless view and allows me to switch between cameras, adjust settings, and playback recordings with just a simple touch, making every drive more convenient. Moreover, the Super Night Vision and parking assistance features are incredible. Thanks to the upgraded 6-layer glass lens, I get clear visuals in low-light conditions, and the parking assist lines ensure safer and stress-free parking. And rows. Clear 1080p front and rear cameras with a wide intuitive 10 touchscreen for easy operation. Advanced parking assist and super night vision. However, there are minor downsides. Cons. SD card and hardwire kit are sold separately. May feel heavy for some. Original mirrors.
Number 2.
In our list, the number 2 product name is Kouenom P12 Mirror Dash Cam. Let me share why I love the Kouenom P12 4K Mirror Dash Cam. With its 4K front and 1080p rear cameras, I get crystal clear footage even in challenging conditions. The wide 170 dig front and 140 dig rear views minimize blind spots, ensuring safe and detailed recordings. Moreover, the seamless integration with CarPlay and Android Auto is a game changer. Voice control lets me access maps, music, and calls without taking my hands off the wheel. It's a smarter, distraction-free way to stay connected while driving. The 12 IPS split-screen display is another standout feature. It offers an expanded view of both front and rear cameras simultaneously, reducing accident risks. Swiping through the display or pairing it with CarPlay makes every drive functional and enjoyable. Pros: ultra-clear 4K front and 1080p rear cameras. CarPlay/Android Auto with touch and voice controls. Parking assist and G-sensor for enhanced safety. Cons: parking monitor cable sold separately. Initial setup may require extra time for novices.
Number 1.
The number 1 product name is Wellqual 12 Mirror Dash Cam. When I upgraded to the Wellqual 12 4K Mirror Dash Cam, my driving experience transformed. The stunning 4K front and 1080p rear cameras deliver crisp footage day or night, capturing every detail with HDR/WDR technology for perfect light balance. Moreover, seamless CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility make navigation, calls, and music easier than ever. The mirror's display lets me manage apps effortlessly, keeping my focus on the road while staying connected and entertained. Pros: crystal clear 4K front and 1080p rear cameras. Smart CarPlay/Android Auto integration. Superior night vision with HDR/WDR and Starvis sensor. Included 64 GB card saves money and ensures compatibility. Cons: batteries not included. Type-C cable setup might require careful handling for novices. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below.